Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix notes disappeared on your iPhone and how to find these missing iPhone notes. First, if your notes app has completely disappeared from your home screen, you can scroll down onto your home screen to bring the search bar up like this, and we can search for the notes app, and you can then hold on to it and add it to your home screen if it is currently missing. If you don't see it at all on the search, we can go to our app store and you can search for the Notes app because you might have uninstalled the app completely. If that is not the case and you want to recover your missing notes itself, we can go to our settings. We can go to our settings and click on your profile name at the top. In here, let's select iCloud and select the notes section right here. Now what we're going to do is to turn off the syncing. So click on the toggle button, and don't worry, this will not delete the notes permanently. It will be brought back shortly. So just click on delete from my iPhone. And once that is done, we can then go back to our home screen. We press and hold on the Notes app and click on remove app, and let's select the delete app option. So we are going to uninstall the Notes app and reinstall it again. Now to reinstall it, let's open up our app store, search for Notes, select the Notes app, and click on this download button right there. And let's wait for it to be installed. And once it has been installed back to your phone, let's go back and go to our settings. Click on your profile name again, go to iCloud, and select the Notes option. And re-enable the syncing like this, and you can then go ahead and check it on the Notes app and see if your previous notes are now seen and has now been reappeared onto your Notes app. You can then wait for it to load as it is currently syncing your notes again from your iCloud, and it might take a while if you have a lot of notes. And another case might be that you might have accidentally deleted a specific note, so you can go back to the folders like this at the top left and go to the recently deleted section, and you should be able to select a specific note and recover that one if you'd like. So to recover it, just click on the edit option at the top right, select it, and click on move at the top left, and you can then move it back to your Notes app. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.